Navigating the stock market can be overwhelming, but what if AI could help you pick the right stocks? With thousands of stocks to choose from, how do you know where to invest? That's where Investing.com's ProPicks comes in, an AI-powered stock picking tool. It's designed to help investors make smart stock picks. Here's how you can use this service in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Head over to the Investing.com website and click on InvestingPro. Step 2. Find fresh trading ideas. Click on ProPicks to access monthly top stock picks curated just for you. These stocks are thoroughly researched and vetted by AI to help you build a powerful portfolio. ProPicks uses advanced AI to select stocks, removing emotional bias and providing well-researched, data-driven recommendations. Number 3, take action. Let's go with Tech Titans. Here's this month's top tech stocks. We can use this list to build a strong tech portfolio. Copy the entire list to your watch list or select specific stocks. Then, as always, conduct your own research to align with your risk-reward profile. By leveraging ProPicks AI-driven insights alongside your own analysis, you can trade with greater confidence and build a solid portfolio. ProPicks are refreshed monthly. Make sure to check in on the second trading day of each month. Plus, you'll receive helpful reminders in your email and on your Investing.com account, both on the web and in the app. With ProPicks, you can use the power of AI to seize new opportunities every month. Happy investing!